Katanat textile jong ka sarkar jalam da kasngi kalarakhe kasngi thanjan ka National Handloom Day arjar arsau ha uso sa tham auditorium Shillong. Hakani kasngi ummentri bakmi katanat textile uba polling do ulalong ukongsan bat ula pelat pat baru ya ka e-portal jong katanat textile bat ya ka Meghalaya Textile Directory kam Textile Atlas. Habakaran hakani kasngi uba pol ulaong balingba kani ka kam thanjan naga jala Kermen baki Kiwei kiri ru kintip baka jala Meghalaya kadon nagi jong kiriam balathan na urindia. Ulaong bahak ketien khasi kejudon artli kentien ke baju ong karong yapan bat karong ya ai. Ulaong baki jan balathan ya kirindia kide kijan kiba ibit na kabenta kajuk karukom riam hakarong pong omtang hakari henry hakaleng kaperthei. Hakajuk apor uba apol ulapan pau ya kajing sngo sarong ban pen i shakaperthei baki jat jan bathan na kani gejela kimdei ban syukut tang hakani gejela Henry kin poi shaduk shabar kiri. Ya kani kasngi ki khana pulie katanat fashion jong KL Bajoria College ki lapan inam ya kiriam kibet lapan inam ru ya kiriam balale da kemuhor design studio bat no unong penwandur ya kiriam hakajala uba Daniels im. Hakani kasngi ladon langru ka Anna Louis Menel kabadai ka international textile expert lembat Kiwei Day.
There are two words, Karong Yapan and Karong Yaai. Karong Yapan literally means colors that are borrowed, and Karong Yaai, colors that we give back. We would like the world, the rest of the world to know that we are not only borrowing their latest garments and attires, but that we do also have attires of our own, which we can show to the rest of the world. I'm sure from whatever we have seen, our dresses made from and outfits made from India are fit for the best of the fashion world in the rest of the world. Therefore, the potential that we have is something that we would like to maximize and make our textiles, our handloom products known not just in the rest of India, but also internationally. The Prime Minister of this country was proud to don the Assamese Gamcha. We would like to see that with the launch of our own store, this particular piece would also be donned not only nationally but in the rest of the world. The sky is the limit for us, and we would like to see that each one of you contribute substantially and meaningfully in that journey. Before I wind up, let me once again congratulate Frederick and to fashion to faraway seas. That is the goal, that is the intent of the government of Meghalaya, and I'm proud to be in charge at the helm of affairs of this department that was once considered a minor department, but today is ensuring the livelihoods of thousands of families. As I look at the design for today's celebration, the two O's in the word handloom represent the yarn that goes through it, but it also reminds me of the glasses that Gandhi wore. And he was the force behind the celebration of National Handloom Day because of the Swadish movement that he had initiated when he was at the peak of our fight against colonialism. And yes, Gandhi also represents the concept of ahimsa, which today has been translated into the fact that we have a peaceful, living community which does not involve killing of the worms in the process of producing eri, muga, and arabia. So our sincere thanks to